Hi, let's learn about personal pronouns. They replace names like I, you, he, she, we, they. Subject pronouns.
ضمائر الفاعل.
I am happy today.
هو
He is riding a bike.
هي
She is reading a book.
it هو أو هي لغير العاقل.
It is a camel.
نحن
We are playing football.
أنت
You are happy.
أنت
You are tall.
أنتما
You are happy.
أنتن
You are tall.
هم
They are riding bikes.
هن
They are watching TV.
هم أو هن لغير العاقل.
They are camels. Object pronouns.
ضمائر المفعول.
Me.
معي
My brother is playing with me. Him.
معه
I am playing with him. Her.
معها
I am playing with her. It.
لغير العاقل.
I feed it every day. Us.
إيانا
Mr. Sharif teaches us English. You.
إياك
I love you, my dad. Them.
إياهم
I help the poor. I give them money. Possessive adjectives.
صفات الملكية.
My.
ملكي
This is my ball. His.
ملكه
This is his bike. Her.
ملكها
This is her bike. Its.
ملكه لغير العاقل.
Its tail is long. Our.
ملكنا
These are our balls. Your.
ملكك
This is your cat. Your.
ملكك
This is your bike. Your.
ملككم
These are your bikes. Their.
ملكهم
This is their school. Reflexive pronouns.
ضمائر الانعكاس.
Myself.
نفسي
I see myself in the mirror. Myself.
بنفسي
I do the homework myself. Himself.
نفسه
He fell and hurt himself. Herself.
بنفسها
She fell and hurt herself. Itself.
لغير العاقل.
The cat cleaned itself. Ourselves.
بأنفسنا
We do the homework ourselves. Yourself.
نفسك
Respect yourself. Themselves.
أنفسهم.
They fell and hurt themselves. We have learnt about personal pronouns like I, you, he, she, it, we, they.